这啥玩意儿啊？哎哎，完了来来来，完了，来来来，完了完了。
Lagen. Det er rak vei. Ja.
In Surrey, Canada, 24 buffaloes escaped from a farm. Before they could be brought back home, they caused quite a commotion in the neighborhood. That's why you should never leave food in your garage. A cougar family in Montana clearly had their eyes on a new home. They kept showing up outside.
Come on, get out of here! Get out of here! Get out! Here's the door! You want to play with us? That's it! Get your ass out of here! Come on,
y'all, but somebody better keep that door open.
That's mine.
A pair of friendly elephants paid a visit to a tourist camp in Tanzania.
Hey, what are you doing here?
No, none of us do. It's weird.
Police officers in the USA need to be experts at capturing out. Hard to imagine what this must look like from inside the house.
Hook her up with something to help make some baby milk. Yeah, come here. Let's be quiet. Here you go, darling. Jesus. So much for that, huh? All right, y'all, I'm gonna get off here and sling them some, man.
A family of polar bears wanted to explore this person's house. Be seen by a baboon as an invitation. Winter gatherings of grackles in North America are nothing new, but this flock in a parking lot surprised, if not slightly scared, everyone around.
Okay.
you want, bro? Boop.
Okay, come on, get out of here.
The police came to catch the intruder, but it turned out to be a bit too agile.
Come here. We're gonna be super quiet.
What do you think you're doing? You.
Guests clearly weren't in a rush to leave.
Go. Door open. Come on, you get cold. Gentle. Snoopy, you are hungry. Come on, gentle. Good girl. Bit cold. Okay. Gentle. That's a good girl. Good girl.
đuổi đi học chơi ấy.
I'm taking a little video.
Yeah, look at that. You almost charged that car.
You did almost charge the car.
Toledo Zoo before and during the elephant encounter. Don Red Fox, a longtime elephant trainer, goes into the area to drop off fruits and veggies, a routine job. But zoo officials believe both he and Louis the elephant were startled. Dr. Ann Baker says that...
Hey, watch out.
Get down, Eni. Right there.
No, it's not, I mean, it's, the destruction is done.
Brainwashing veil. There are a lot of sophisticated brainwashing seas out there.
Worried? The snake behind you.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Huh?
No!
He said, I got the lid off for you.
Oh my
God. Here it comes. This one's bigger. No, it's smaller.
This guy's doing.
Here we have some baboons in a kitchen, just hanging out. Hey, Ted!
for the reptile, it was the third of the day. Hello, everyone.
Oh my God, Rob! Oh my God, Rob! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, this is my life!
Oh my God! It's a raccoon! Oh my God, it's a raccoon! Oh.
Are you feeling poorly? Huh? Do you need something?
Hello, everyone.
I got bit! Oh! I got bit!
After the rainy season in India, thousands of crocodiles ended up in nearby village streets. Locals came together to help one of them return home.
Go on, Nico. Clear the monster here. Nope, you're fine.
The car owner had left some food inside and forgot to lock the doors. A hungry bear made the most of the opportunity. We certainly don't envy the person who collects their eggs every day.
Chơi kiểu game thôi này.
Kiểu game. Anh nghĩ là kiểu tất cả.
Ồ. Ui, đùa đâu vậy? Ơi.
Y'all better recognize who's here tonight.
Also attract some unwanted guests.
Get away from the window, please.
Why?
Well, please get away from the window.
I can't. Wow, I want to see this.
Well,
Can they pull the cord? You can weld them in, they'll stop.
That is so cute, though.
We will not stop. We
That
will
little
not
girl's
stop.
trying to get over that block.
See?
Get your ass out of here! Get your ass out!
I've been wondering why my front rug was so damn hairy. Well, guess I know now. Mama, you resting? Would you like a cookie?
There we go, he's out, he's out, he's out. That man rocks.
There, Karen. Okay. Hey.
You don't get it out cool, are you? Yes.
Take it as an invitation to come in and have some fun.
Bow! Check that. Get out of there! Get on out of there!
Thank you.
Ushi, bye. Ushi, go. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to eject you if you carry on like that.
Got it.
Yeah, if you don't mind, just cover his eyes up.
alligators. To keep locals safe, this professional relies on nothing but his own hands and some tape. A security guard was told a bear had gotten into the hotel's kitchen. For some reason, instead of checking the cameras first, he decided to investigate it himself. A lot of people dream of having their own hot tub, but you should know this purchase might not only surprise your friends, but all. Monkeys in this part of Thailand usually relied on tourists for food, but there were far too few of them in 2021. So, two rival monkey gangs broke out into a street battle over resources, right in front of stunned drivers.
Getting ready to walk around right here.
Oh, me? Oh.
And she'll walk right up. Come on in. Come on in.
Yeah.
Yep, come on in. Come on in. I'm gonna distract. Girl, I'm trying to get my groceries delivered.
Где? Ты чё, отец?
Knock at her door, and as you can see, it wasn't a delivery person.
Because I'm going to record it. He got him.
Too far. A cougar entered her home and fell asleep.
Oh my God.
In areas inhabited by monkeys, it's dangerous to leave the windows open when you're away. Those creatures
that the bear's gonna get in the garage. Move the camera a little bit. Okay, right there.
Look at him! Stop, please call.
The owners of this house had no choice but to sit in their car and watch as a bear tried to break into their garage.